You enter a trade and see the order is green by 5 pips. You close it thinking you won, but the result is a loss. Or you hold a euro order through the week, and on Monday morning you open your eyes to see the account deducted inexplicably. The truth is you are not wrong about the analysis, but you haven't calculated enough costs. In trading, the biggest enemy is not the market, but the hidden costs you are not seeing before clicking buy and sell. Today, I will show you how to use the Exness Calculator, also known as the Exness Investment Calculator, so we can calculate exactly the break-even point and know the swap fee in advance if holding orders overnight or over the week. Most importantly, this tool allows you to strictly control every number before entering an order.
This is the Exness Market Channel, where we provide the most useful information about trading activities on the Exness platform. We are a leading development partner of Exness. If you're new to Exness Market, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. You'll find the registration guide and the latest Exness updates in the video description and pinned comment. Besides this channel, you can also visit our Exness Market website to explore more about Exness.
Now, I will guide you on how to access the Exness interface. You will click on the Tools section, which is located within the Resources section. From there, you can see the Investment Calculator item. This is the Exness Calculator. Once we click here, the calculator will require several parameters to help you. First, you need to select your account type. Second is the account currency and the instrument, which refers to the product you trade. Next is the leverage, and finally the volume of your trade. A very important note is that you must choose the correct account type. This is a vital factor because each account has a different spread and commission structure, which directly affects the break-even point and our actual profit. Exness categorizes product types for you, including Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies to help you easily choose the exact product you are trading. How do we calculate the break-even point using the Exness Calculator? The break-even point is the price level the market must reach to compensate for spread and commission fees. If the order has not passed the break-even point, the order is still negative even if the chart is green. Let's look at a practical example. I will switch to the commodities category and choose gold. First, I will demonstrate using a standard account. I will keep the currency as USD, leverage at 1 to 200 and calculate for one lot. After entering the data and clicking Calculate, you can see that with a standard account, the spread cost for buying or selling one lot is $36. Additionally, the overnight fee for a buy order is minus $58.21. This means if you hold a buy order overnight, you must pay a fee of $58. By adding these two numbers, 58 plus 36, we get $94. Since every 1 pip equals $10, you need a profit of at least 9 pips to cover these costs. If the trade runs higher than 9 pips, you start to make a profit, but if it is under that, you still lose money even if the account appears green when you close it. Next, I will switch to a raw spread account. Using the same parameters, you will see the numbers change. With a raw spread account, the spread cost is only $13.70, while the overnight fee remains the same. Summing these results in $72, which is equivalent to about pips. This means you only need the price to move pips to start making a profit, which is more optimal than the standard account. Regarding the zero account, the spread cost returns to 9.7 US, meaning you lose much fewer fees for pips when entering the order. However, the zero account requires an additional commission fee, which in this case is 11 US. Whether you enter a buy or sell order, you must pay this fixed $11 commission, so you must note this when using a zero account. Finally, we have the Pro account. Similar to the Pro account, you do not pay a commission fee like the zero account, but you will pay a spread cost of $25.2 and the same overnight buy fee. An essential note for all accounts is that every Wednesday, the swap fee is tripled. If you hold a buy order for gold on Wednesday night, the $57 fee will triple to more than $150. In short, the Exness Calculator is a tool that helps you calculate fees exactly, provides transparent swap calculations, and controls hidden costs. A good trader is not just someone who predicts the market correctly, but someone who understands every number before entering an order. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to comment with the pair you are trading so I can analyze the costs for you in future videos.